Here at Really Antique Wood, we always get asked, do we work with only builders or designers? Homeowners welcome, are we open to the public? The answer is yes, we work with everybody. But our relationship with other industry professionals is very unique. Whether you're a builder, you're a designer, or an architect, we really thrive off of being able to nurture that relationship of the whole project. Our main goal at the end of the day is to support you and make you look good in front of your client. So if you're an industry professional, a designer, an architect, and you're wondering how the hell do I get started with these guys, reach out, let's set up a time, jump on a call, get us some plans. Even better yet, if you can come visit us in the showroom with your client and we all talk about material selection, time frame, budget is of course always very important to everybody. With experience comes a comprehensive understanding of what it actually takes to get the material from point A to point B, keeping budget in mind across the board. If you're an industry professional, give us a follow. Keep up with our day-to-day projects, see what we got going on. We'd love to build a relationship with you and help your visions come to life.